Do you know the symptoms that require immediate medical attention? In the journey of life, our bodies are the vehicles that carry us. And just like any vehicle, they send us signals when something isn't right. It's crucial to know and understand these signals, these symptoms, in order to maintain a healthy and fulfilling life. Now, some symptoms are like the occasional flicker of a dashboard light. A little discomfort here, a mild ache there. But there are others that are like blaring sirens, urgent and demanding of immediate attention. These are the symptoms that should never be ignored. They could be indicators of serious health issues that, if left unchecked, could lead to grave consequences. By being aware and proactive, we can address these symptoms promptly, possibly preventing further complications and ensuring our well-being. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with knowledge on what symptoms to look out for. Knowledge that could potentially save your life or the life of a loved one. Ever felt a sharp pain in your chest or found yourself gasping for breath? This might be more than a simple case of overexertion or indigestion. Chest pain, especially if it's persistent or recurring, could be a sign of heart conditions like angina or even a heart attack. These conditions are serious and require immediate medical attention. On the other hand, shortness of breath, also known as dyspnea, could be a symptom of several lung diseases. Conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, asthma, or even lung cancer could manifest as breathlessness. It could also be related to heart conditions, as the heart and lungs work closely together. In essence, these symptoms are not trivial. They are your body's way of signaling that something might be awry. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So, if you find yourself experiencing persistent chest pain or shortness of breath, don't hesitate. These symptoms are not to be taken lightly. If you experience them, medical attention should be sought immediately. Have you ever experienced a sudden, severe headache like none before? It's a frightening experience, to say the least. There are several potential causes for such a headache. An aneurysm, for instance, is a weak spot in a blood vessel in the brain that balloons and fills with blood. It can cause a sudden, severe headache, often described as the worst headache ever experienced. Another potential cause is a stroke, which occurs when blood flow to a part of the brain is cut off. This can result in a sudden headache, along with other symptoms like numbness on one side of the body, difficulty speaking, and confusion. If you ever experience a sudden severe headache, it's crucial to seek immediate medical help. Don't wait it out or try to sleep it off. The sooner you get medical attention, the better your chances of avoiding long-term damage or even saving your life. A sudden severe headache could be a sign of something serious. Don't hesitate to seek help. Have you ever found yourself suddenly confused or struggling to speak or understand speech? It's a frightening thought, isn't it? But it's crucial to recognize these symptoms and their potential causes. They could indicate a serious neurological condition, like a stroke or a brain tumor. A stroke happens when there's a disruption in the blood flow to the brain. It can lead to a sudden onset of confusion, trouble speaking, or understanding speech. On the other hand, a brain tumor can press on certain areas of the brain, leading to similar symptoms. Both these conditions are severe and require immediate medical attention. Every second counts when it comes to treating these conditions. An early response can significantly improve the prognosis and lessen the potential for long-term damage. So remember this. If you or someone around you begins to display these symptoms, act quickly. It could be a matter of life and death. Have you been losing weight without trying? If so, it's important to understand that this could be more than just a fluke. Unexplained weight loss can be a symptom of various health conditions, some of which are quite serious. For instance, it could be a sign of cancer. Many types of cancer, especially in the later stages, can cause a decrease in appetite or changes in metabolism that lead to weight loss. Similarly, conditions like diabetes can also result in unexplained weight loss. This happens because your body isn't able to properly use glucose, the main source of energy for your cells, leading to a burning of fat and muscle for energy instead. Ignoring this symptom could mean overlooking a potentially serious health issue. Therefore, if you've noticed a significant decrease in your weight without any changes to your diet or exercise routine, it's crucial to seek medical attention promptly. Unexplained weight loss could be a sign of a serious health issue. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you notice this symptom. Awareness is the first step towards action. We've journeyed together through the labyrinth of the human body, uncovering some alarming symptoms that should never be ignored. Let's briefly revisit these symptoms, not as a cause for alarm, but as a reminder to take action. We began with chest pain and shortness of breath, symptoms often associated with heart diseases. They may seem benign, especially when they come and go, but they could be the body's way of signaling a potential heart attack or other serious cardiovascular conditions. Next, we delved into the world of sudden severe headaches. Not your average headache that goes away with a painkiller, but the kind that hits you like a bolt out of the blue. This could indicate conditions such as brain aneurysms or strokes, which require immediate medical intervention. From there, we moved on to sudden confusion or trouble speaking. These symptoms, often underestimated, could be the silent heralds of a stroke or a brain tumor. They are the body's SOS, a call for immediate help. Our journey then took us to the often overlooked symptom of unexplained weight loss. While many may cheer at the dropping numbers on the scale, it's crucial to remember that when weight loss happens without a change in diet or exercise, it could be a sign of various underlying health issues such as diabetes or cancer. To put it simply, these symptoms are not just mere discomforts. They are the body's distress signals, warning us of potential dangers lurking within. Taking immediate action can make a world of difference, potentially saving your life or that of a loved one. So if you or anyone you know experiences any of these symptoms, do not hesitate. Seek immediate medical help. Consult with healthcare professionals who can guide you through the necessary tests and treatments. And above all, keep this in mind. Remember, your health is your wealth. Don't let these warning signs go unnoticed. Always seek immediate medical attention if you experience any of these symptoms.